Welcome to Bakubung Bush Lodge. This is our room 542. Come on in. This lodge is located inside of Pilanesberg National Park. Immediately as you enter our room, we have the bathroom. The bathroom has private areas for the toilet as well as for the shower, and the shower also has a rain shower head. Moving across to the other side of the bathroom, we have a tub that has blinds that can be opened, offering views of the rest of the room as well as the TV. There's also a sink area and all of the necessities that you'd expect from a hotel equipped in the bathroom. As we exit the bathroom area, we have our closet. Our closet has a safe, hanging space, as well as extra blankets. Moving on into the rest of the room, this room has 2 double beds. Behind me is a little desk that you can do work or makeup, and on the other side we have a TV as well as the area underneath where there is a mini fridge inside one of those doors, a hydration station, and a small seating area. There's also a balcony that offers views of the swimming pool. And that is our room at Bakubung Bush Lodge inside of Pilanesberg National Park. Thank you for watching.